o.l.w here. So yesterday I was just at the train show, and they had a lot of cool stuff. It's the model train show in Vancouver, British Columbia, and they had a bunch of awesome model railway stuff. It was really interesting to look at. But what caught my eye the most was the Lego display that BritCan had arranged. So I'm going to play a slideshow of the cool Lego displays, and if you hear a rumbling sound in the background, that is just my washing machine, and it's making a lot of noise. So I'm gonna play a slideshow of all the cool scenes and stuff, all the pictures I took at the train show.